All right, we're here. Let's go see it.
Do you want me to drive it?
We're gonna let my wife pull it out. First time driving it. Do you want me to hold your bag? Do you know how to start it?
No. I'm assuming I just push the button.
Just pull out very slow. So put your foot on the brake. No, right there. Put your foot on the brake and then it's on the steering wheel by your right thumb. She's probably too nervous to take it anywhere. Right? Oh, I guess she's gonna back it up. Looks so good in the sun.
Yes, that shine is amazing.
It's so bright. Is it in park?
Yeah.
First drive.
Wouldn't call it a drive.
All right, you guys, I got to give a huge shout out to Luxe Automotive for killing it on the R8. It looks amazing. I know it's really bright out here, so the focus on my face and the car isn't working too well, but the car looks absolutely incredible. We'll try and show you later in the shade how it looks. My wife's over here in the Tesla, anxious to get home to her baby. But we got the gloss wheels, we got the stealth wrap, we got gloss PPF protection on all the carbon exterior parts. We also wrapped this in gloss black here to match the engine bay, and tinted the windows with Xpel XR Plus tint, and it just turned out absolutely amazing. It's saying I have low tire pressure. So, can I just meet you at home?
Yeah.
I gotta go back and have them check my tire pressure.
Bye.
As soon as I pulled out, it said loss of tire pressure, so...
Bye.
I'm trying to figure out how to get to that screen to view it.
few moments later.
Tires are all at 44, so we're good. Just a little scare there. I'm assuming what happened is they took the tires and wheels off to powder coat the wheels, and once you throw it back on, the TPMS sensors need time to recalibrate. So I think that's why it's throwing a tire pressure warning. So they said it should recalibrate after 20 or so miles, but we'll see. I've already had 2 people filming me while I'm driving.
Really?
Yeah.
You'll probably have a lot more.
Okay, drive safe. I'll see you in a bit.
Hey, bye.
Bye. Hey, I got the car back.
How's it look?
It looks so sweet. I almost want to keep it without emblems on it.
Yeah, you have to send me. By tonight?
I've had 3 people now filming me while they're driving. I got someone filming me right now. He's giving me the hang loose sign.
That's funny.
I've been on the freeway for 5 minutes and that's the 3rd person filming me. That's pretty funny. Yeah, I'll bring it over tonight so you can see it.
Yeah, if people look before, they're going to look way more now just because all the accessories on it look so much better.
Yeah, well, the black wheels, they're like super wet looking. It looks so sweet. Ever since I got it, there's been a rattle over here in the window on the passenger side. I need to take it into the Audi dealer and see if they can fix it for me because it really bothers me. It's almost like something's loose in the window and it just vibrates really softly. Spots in this car are terrible. And for some reason it doesn't have blind spot sensors. It's a 2018, I don't know why it doesn't. Luckily I got a big engine bay covered, otherwise I wouldn't be able to see anything. Back. This car is a rocket. I love it. So sweet. Sounds so good. Maybe we do need to put an exhaust on it though, make it a little bit louder. No cop. Maybe. Well, you guys, that is going to do it for today's video. We got the R8 back home in the driveway. Looks so good. And we are going to do a lot of videos on this car. We're going to do some 0 to 60s, some top speed runs. I'll do a video soon of a full walk around of everything that I had Luxe do. But for now, we're going to close out this video. If you liked it, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video. Hey, what do you think of Dad's new car? Are you giving it a hug? You want to drive it, huh? Here, Cove. Oh.
This will be the only time you get the keys.
Here. Yeah. Psych.
Dad.
What do you think, bud?
And then they